There's a different kind of energy here. Maybe it's the open valley air or the warm glow of the sun. It's hard to say, but it's easy to find yourself easing in, the same way the rolling hills seem to ease into the cool, sparkling lakes. Catch yourself dipping into waters and emerging refreshed and full of life. Ready to follow the valley breeze through vineyard rows. Soak it all in. These wonders are for the harvest, where it's given, where it's grown, where connections to the land have long been made. Stretch your legs through vineyards that stretch for miles, on days that stretch into evenings, and find your place where all the rhythms of life are savored between valleys and vineyards.